Here's a follow-up video on this HECO miniature grandfather clock, novelty grandfather clock. I went to the store today and I got a screw that will work for putting this movement together. The screw is long, but on this side of the let me turn my camera around. On this side of the movement, the screw will go in and not interfere with anything. So I'm going to put the smaller screw over here on this side, or the longer screw will interfere with those gears in there, and the longer screw is going to go over here where it's not going to hit any gears. So I need to put the movement back into the clock, and that's going to be fun to do, trying to put this movement in along with these hitting the hole of the clock, getting this minute hand, sorry, our wheel to stay in place while I screw the screws into this thing. So stand by and let me do that. I also have to put a washer on here, or the screw head is going to go through that hole, because that hole is waddled out. So I need to come up with a washer. Here's a piece of a clock that will work as a washer to keep this. It's actually a gun screw, and it doesn't exactly, it's not the exact same thread as this movement, but it will work. And the only thing it's doing is holding this movement onto this clock case. So let me go ahead and put that on. I had to countersink the hole on the left side so when you put the dial on, it didn't stick up. But I got the screws in, and when you put the dial on, it doesn't stick up. So I have to glue the dial on and come up with some hands. And if you don't have clamps, you can use rubber bands. Rubber bands work really good for clamps when working with wood or anything else. I do have a piece here that's missing. I'm not going to worry about it. I think the clock is just fine the way it is. You know, there's cracks in it and stuff like that. You know, I got cracks in me. Point is it's old. It's probably older than I am. And so it needs to show its age. That's just the way I look at things when I'm working on clocks. A lot of people want them to look brand new. I want them to show their age. I want them, you know, it's got history behind it. Is it perfect? No. But neither am I. I have wrinkles. I have age on me. It's just the way life is. And there I got the original hands on it, which will work until I get some different hands. I have a whole box of hands, and some of them you can even make the holes yourself. like I need in this case, but these hands are way too big for that clock. But the clock is up and running. I hope y'all like this video, and God bless. A 1950s or 1960 HECO clock saved that was once full of rust. Keep watching my videos. I post them all the time. God bless.